my name is Salit and thank you for joining me for another belly dance tutorial here on the SH.E.B.A channel. Today I want to cover level changes in belly dance. So why do we need level changes to begin with? Imagine your dance piece is just here all the time. It's okay, but it'll be more interesting if we take it up and bring it down and back to mid-level and up and down and give it another dimension and more depth. So let's take a look at some ways we can change levels. So let's take a look at our different levels. Right now I'm standing in mid-level, my neutral. If I want to go lower than this, I bend my knees. If I want to go higher, I come up on the balls of my feet, which we also refer to as releve in ballet. Back to center. So let's practice that and go only as low as you're comfortable. Bending the knees to go down, come up to center, and come up on the balls of your feet and back to center. And bend, center, up, center. Go a little bit lower if you can, center, and up. And remember here to squeeze your glutes, hold the chest up, really engage your legs to keep you stable. And back to center. You can try, if you're comfortable, going all the way down, staying tall as you come down, back to center, and all the way up. Let's do that one more time. And down, center, and up, and center. So you can add any move that you want on top of this. For example, using your hip accent side to side, from the mid-level, bring it down lower, bring it down, bring it back up to mid, and up on releve, and back to center. So let's go through that. Down, down, down as far as you're comfortable. You don't have to go all the way down. Come up with the hip accents to center, and then up on releve, and back to center. One more, as far as you're comfortable, and up all the way to releve, and back to center, and shake it out, and take a breath, and out. So feel free to experiment with this with any move, maybe hip circles, maybe chest accents, figure eights, any kind of move, explore it. Let's try to put an undulation with a level change. So reminding you our undulation, we take the chest forward, up and back, hips in, bending the knees, and hips out. Breathe in, and out, and in, and out. And I come back to center. So if I keep both my feet flat, and I start my undulation, and I bend slightly, I'm mostly in the same level, my mid-level. I can take it lower by bending deeper and coming back up to center. Bend deep and come back up to center. Similarly, I can go up on releve, which is a little bit trickier. You really have to rely on your quads here and your calves. So come up, bend the knees, and back to center. Breathe in, bend the knees, and back. One more. Bend and come up. So let's play around from all the way up, all the way down. Come up, 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 bend, come down, 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 and all the way up and all the way down. I'm making a huge wave with my body, changing the levels. And back to center. You can do the same thing with one foot in front and the heel up, keeping this heel up the whole time. So I can go up on both, bend, keep that heel up, and continue up, bend, keep one heel up. Breathe in. Let's try the left side. Left foot will be in the front, always standing nice and tall, always breathing. And we go up, bend, keep that left heel up as you come down, up, and down. All the way up, all the way down. One more, breathe in. and back to center. Let's do this to the front. Up and down. You can add arms. Switch feet. Breathe up. Use the arms however you feel. Explore different arm framings. And back to center. Now here's another way to change your level that you may not have necessarily thought of as a level change. For the next move, we're going to use our hamstrings and our inner thighs a lot. So make sure you really warm those up well before you start this move. So we're going to open our stance wider and go into our big hip circle. And you can add arms behind the hip, in front of the hip, behind and in front. And always keeping that chest lifted, lifted, lifted. And then if I want to make it bigger and change the level, I bend this right knee and take the hip further back. And now I'm lower. I transition the hip to the other side, relax the neck, bend the left knee, still holding that chest up. And then bring myself back up to center. Let's do that again. Forward, side, really bend that knee. Around, bend the other knee, and bend both knees to come back. A little bit smoother, breathe in, and out. Relaxing the neck. One more. Breathe. And back. Let's try the left side. So you're gonna go forward, bend the left deep, keeping the chest up, roll the hips to the right, bend the right knee, bend both to come back to center, and again. Breathe out, breathe in, and out. One more. Breathe in, and out. And relax in the neck. And back up to center, step in, bend your knees and take a breath. So let's see how we can combine these two moves. Starting with a hip circle. I'm gonna go around, all the way, finish it on the right side, drag the left foot in. Here I start my undulation, go lower, and high and low and back to center. Then I can do the other side. Open the left, lifting, around, bending that left knee. Complete the circle on the left, drag the right foot in and undulate, bend the knees, undulate, bend the knees and back to center. A little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bring it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bring it in. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, you don't have to go all the way down with that hip circle. It takes time to develop that flexibility, and you need to work with your own range and gradually develop it. So you can stay in mid-level and then get a nice deep undulation here. Mid-level, or go up and all the way down. So play around with it, different levels and different moves with the music. for watching this video, and if you liked it, please click the like button and let us know in the comments what was your favorite part and what other tutorials you would like to see here on our channel. And remember, it's okay to not get it perfect from the very first try. Just take it one move, one combo at a time, and keep practicing. You'll get better and better over time. Until next time, keep dancing.